with industry-first structural and transformable design. Shattering limitations of traditional matrix equipment, airborne transformable bracket, Circonus BD10. Through revolutionary engineering, breaking conventional boundaries, the BD10 can be configured with up to 2 load connection ports, supports both external and internal power supply modes. Through the LG30, a load module devices can be conveniently controlled by the remote controller, without the need for wired connection to the drone. Turn on the lights with one click, instantly enabling full area illumination. The details on the spot were exposed without any concealment. Dual payload interfaces adapt to mission requirements. For modular warning, lighting payloads, keep the scheduling of complex equipment under control. It features a dual-axis rotation function, facilitating adjustments in multiple directions and forming various, effortlessly tackling field scenarios. For complex operations, on-site staff can make flexible choices. Stepless brightness dimming support, automatically tuned by ambient light, and operational distance. Furthermore, BD10 enables remote beam angle precision control. Flexible field adaptation. With just a light touch of your fingertip, you can control the entire light field. Free mode, gimbal mode, sync mode, symmetry mode for modes on demand. Only directional stepless adjustment, ensuring constant target lock illumination. Unlock the ultimate nighttime operation solution.